Welcome to Knowledge of Physics. In this video, I am going to tell you about Archimedes principle and law of flotation and show the differences between them. So first of all, let's discuss about Archimedes principle. What is Archimedes principle and what does it give you? Okay, all about that. So first of all, statement of Archimedes principle is that an object fully or partially immersed in a liquid experiences the upthrust, which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. Okay, Archimedes principle states that an object fully or partially immersed in a liquid, any liquid, either that can be well or water or any liquid, okay, that object experiences the upthrust given by the liquid, which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. The liquid displaced due to the presence of that object in the liquid. Okay, so when the object is immersed in liquid, its weight decreases. This is because of the upthrust of liquid acting on the object. Okay, so the weight of the object in any liquid is less than that measured in the air. Okay, weight of the object when measured in liquid is less than weight of the object measured in air. Okay, so Archimedes principle tries to tell you about it. So decrease in weight is equal to decrease in weight of the object is equal to the upthrust given by that liquid. Okay, so decrease in weight is equal to, you can see here, decrease in weight of object or weight loss of object is equal to upthrust, which is also equal to weight of the liquid displaced. Okay, so this is Archimedes principle statement and mathematical expression. Okay, in this figure you can see Archimedes principle and law of flotation. I will come here. Before that, let's discuss about law of flotation. What is law of flotation? Law of flotation states that when an object floats on a liquid, the weight of object, when an object floats on liquid, the weight of the object, the weight of the floating object is equal to weight of the liquid displaced. This means if you put any object on any liquid, so that the object just floats on the liquid, then weight of the object is just equal to weight of the liquid displaced by the object. Okay, so this is law of flotation, and weight of floating object is equal to weight of liquid in case of law of flotation. You can, it is suggested by the name as well, law of flotation. It means when the object floats on the liquid, okay, in that case weight of the floating object is equal to weight of liquid displaced. Okay, so in this figure you can see law of flotation and Archimedes principle. Here actually we can say law of flotation is just a part of Archimedes principle. Okay, I'm telling you again, law of flotation is just a part, is a special case of Archimedes principle. Okay, Archimedes principle can satisfy the condition when the object is fully immersed into the water, or it's just floating on the water, and it's half immersed or partially immersed on the water or any liquid. This is Archimedes principle. Among these three conditions, one of the condition where object just floats on the liquid is law of flotation. In this case, the object weight of this object is equal to weight of the liquid displaced by this object. This is law of flotation. If you talk about the example of Archimedes principle, there are so many examples. Archimedes principle, you can say the floating boat on the river, the floating, the submarine, and the floating, the balloons in this atmosphere, any example. Okay, and the ship, all of them are based on the principle of Archimedes principle. Okay, but the floating, only the floating law of floating boat of river, floating boat on the river follows the law of flotation, because the boat is just floating on the surface of the water, not it is immersed, okay, on the liquid. So if you say about the submarine actually is not following the law of flotation, it is following law of Archimedes principle, because submarine is fully immersed on the liquid, or it's partially immersed on the liquid. That's why submarine cannot be taken as an example of the example of any application of law of flotation. It is just the application of Archimedes principle, but floating bodies, the application of law of flotation. Okay, so I hope you have understood the Archimedes principle and law of flotation. This much in this video. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching.